Hey guys, in this video we are giving you the simple guide on how to use the platform Etoro. So firstly you need to go to the website and of course open your account. After that sign in. Also guys, in order to deposit funds you will need to complete the identity verification. So as you can see you can deposit. After that guys, deposit funds using debit card, bank transfer, PayPal or other available methods. Once funded, you're ready to explore the platform. So you can use the search bar right over here in the top to find assets like stocks, crypto, ETFs or commodities. So for example, Bitcoin, let us input that, BTC Bitcoin, press on trade. And as you can see, now we are getting this graph of the price changes, information. You can type what's on your mind, you can upload files, create a poll and just make a post. And in general, as you can see, this is your complete trading platform. We have also charts, analysis, the news about the Bitcoin as well. Yeah, in here you can trade. Also guys, you can buy or sell, enter the amounts and decide if you want to use the leverage or set stop loss and take profit levels. So for that, just tap on open trade. And your position will appear in your portfolio tab. So as you can see, you need to complete the profile, that's fine. And that's pretty much it. And guys, also as you can see, then guys, also we have watch list where you can follow the different stocks. We have a portfolio, which is very important. You can, as you can see, search by assets, continue, Bitcoin, press on trade, right? We have a discover button as well, where you can find and explore global markets. As you can see, we have all the various things, stocks, crypto, indices, etc. So many things. We have a wallet where of course you can monitor how much money you've made or have. You can also get the app and use it on your phone, and you have a bunch more stuff. Settings, you can withdraw funds, as you can see, you can invite friends, etc. And that's how to use the Etoro, invest, or copy others. Like and subscribe for more tutorials, and if you want a full guide on copy trading, you can leave a comment. See you soon.